Hey babies, I hope you're sitting down for this one. I'm super excited. I am going to show you guys the first box, the very first box that came after IPSY merged with BoxyCharm. You guys know I normally do like IPSY unboxings and show you the Glam Bag and their Glam Bag Plus. Well, now that's all changed. Not to a great extent, but IPSY merged with BoxyCharm. So now everything is under the IPSY umbrella. I'm like using my hands a lot here, but we're just gonna go with it. But anyway, so yeah, so everything is now under the IPSY umbrella, so you get the best of both worlds, okay? So what I was sent was the IPSY Glam Bag, which has 5 mini products in it, and I got the 5 full-size products that come with the BoxyCharm subscription. Now, these subscriptions make for fabulous gifts, even for yourself. So look below this video for a direct link so you can go check them out and see if it's something that you're interested in signing up for. Now, the makeup that you see here came in this box. Yes, so as I'm talking you guys through what's in the box.
What is in the box?
I'm going to show you guys how I applied it and how I achieved this look-see. So I hope you're sitting down, grab some coffee, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with the 5 full-size products that came in the BoxyCharm subscription. The first item is the Tofgan Red Remedy Toner. And let me just tell you guys, how cute is this packaging? It is like a cute little, I don't know, I'm weird that way, but I love cute packagings and stuff.
I want that! I want that!
This is a red remedy toner. So if you have any irritation in your skin or redness, this toner will take it away. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and well, it smells really nice actually. Not perfumey or anything, just like very natural smelling, kind of like. So that came in the BoxyCharm subscription. Next is the Origins Ginseng Into the Glow Brightening Serum. If you don't happen to know this, I am the queen of brightening serums. I don't know. I always use like vitamin C and stuff like that before I put on anything else. So I'm really highly excited to use this serum. This is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. I hope it's not overexposed here. Let me smell. It smells just the way you would expect it to smell. Very like fresh. Very fresh. So yeah, it illuminates your skin and brings out that inner glow, which is always very nice. So I can't wait to try this. I haven't tried these 2 products yet. The next item in the box is the LYS Beauty or Liss Beauty Cream Bronzer Stick. And mine was in the shade Harmony, which is a medium shade. And this is a bronzer stick. Now, I tried putting on this bronzer stick, although I already had my powder and stuff on. I still wanted to try it and show it, so I'll put the video up here somewhere. What I thought of this, I love the way it's not just, you know, for contouring. You can even make this into like a blush, which is what I did because I really love that healthy tan glow situation, and it was just awesome. I love the packaging. It is so classy. I absolutely amazed, and it is very, what I did want to say before you use this, it is super creamy. So when you put it on, just put on a little bit. I used my beauty blender to blend it in, but just put on a little bit and it goes a long way. You can blend it out and make it all look really smooth, but I absolutely thought this was a winner. The next product that came in the BoxyCharm subscription is the Natasha Denona Alloy Palette. And how gorgeous is this palette?
That is so beautiful.
Yes, I absolutely love it. These shades are perfect. If you are ever in doubt about what colors to use on your eyes, if you want to use something but you don't know what, go for those natural nude shades because they go with every skin tone, any color eyes. You can always make a combination that works. So this is the ideal palette. There was no fallout whatsoever. The colors just blend gorgeously. I mean, I don't have to say a lot because this says it all. So the last item in the BoxyCharm subscription was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Lemon Lava. And this is the Gloss Balm Heat collection. And I absolutely am a huge fan of the Gloss Balm lip glosses. To begin with, I didn't have this shade yet, but this is like, it almost looks like a yellowy goldenish shade in the packaging, but when you put it on, it's pretty much like very like clear. I put a brownish colored lip liner underneath it, but I keep applying this lip gloss and it just takes over your lips. I absolutely love it. It feels fabulous on your lips. Great hydration, it doesn't dry out, and it's just, I have no words, but yeah. So there you go. Yeah, so I used this too, and it's from Fenty, Rihanna's Fenty Beauty, and I absolutely love it. But I already loved it before I got it in the BoxyCharm subscription box. So there you go. Now, those were the 5 products I received in the BoxyCharm box. Now, if you decide you're more of a person who likes to try products before you actually buy the full size, you might want to look into the IPSY Glam Bag. Yes, and this is what the Glam Bag for April looked like. It is super cute. Let me show you guys what came in here. The first item is the Pore Professional, and it's a pore purifying foaming cleanser. Yes, and I always love finding new cleansers. So I don't have a favorite cleanser at this moment because I'm trying all kinds of different products. I'm like a guinea pig. It's amazing. Okay, so that's a super cute mini bottle. It is so cute. It is very cute. I bet it's foamy when I take it out, so I'm not gonna open it, but it says use daily, AM and PM, and it unclogs your pores and just, you know, takes care of cleaning your skin. That came in there. So another item that came in IPSY Glam Bag was this eyeliner. It's called Shades by Shan, and it's the gel eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeliner. So when I put it on, I thought it was gonna be black, but it's actually in the shade Matcha, which is like a greenish, dark greenish kind of shade. And it was really, really, really pretty. Now, I also put it underneath my eyes. You probably can't see it because it's like, it looks like it's black, but it's really not. It's like a dark greenish. What I noticed about this is that it just was so easy to line my eyes. These types of pencils, it's always very difficult to like line your eyes, I think, because they're not really sharp. There's not a sharp point. But this one, it was like, wow. It highly impressed me, as you can tell. I thought it was really, really gorgeous. The next item in the IPSY Glam Bag are by Farah, and they're the mini sponges. I love these babies. These are so super cute. Let me take them out. I use these a lot. These are super cute, and they're little sponges. And normally what I do, I moisten them and then squeeze out the excess liquid, and then I use them for my under eye area. And I also use them around my nose because some areas are harder to get to when you have a huge, dirty beauty blender. Next, we have mascara, and it's from the brand Real Her. It's called I Am Beautiful. It's a lengthening and volumizing mascara. I love the brush. It's very different. It's very like, the bristles are very small, and I used it. I will put the footage up here. I thought it worked very, very well. And normally I combine several mascaras to get lengthening and volumizing, you know, that effect. Like some mascaras I find are better at lengthening your lashes, and others are better at volumizing your lashes. And ideally, a mascara would be able to do both, which is what this mascara says it does. I wasn't disappointed, but then again, I am extreme, so I would still be using multiple mascaras and stuff, but that's just me. Yeah. But yeah, it did the trick. I popped up some fake lashes just, for the whole effect and everything. On to the last item in my IPSY Glam Bag, and that is moisturizer. And that is the Barrier Culture Moisturizer from the new company. That's what it looks like. And I love discovering new brands through IPSY. I have discovered so many great brands. It's amazing. Well, that was it for the video, guys. I got to the end. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? I have so many more things planned. I can't wait to share with you guys. Also, make sure you check out my blog, Kimberly Worldwide. By the time this video hits, I'm not sure that it's up because I'm renewing my blog. So I'm not sure if it's up yet, but make sure you look for that. All the links to my social are below this video. The links for IPSY and BoxyCharm are also below this video. It's one and the same link because they're all together now. And I hope you guys like the products that I showed you guys. I hope you guys like the look I created. Let me know what product you like the best. And I will see you guys again next week in another video.